What does future mean? Future means automation. Our machines for hollow and flat glass processing are designed and built with the most recent technologies on board, optimized production processes, processing data collection, and machine learning. Automation for us means sustainable innovation. Our R&D division is constantly searching for advanced technologies, like the JVGlassform.ai, a next generation of artificial intelligence algorithms, able to automatize and optimize every step of the glass forming process, from logistics to packaging, from safety to machines integration. Future means sustainability. Glass is itself a 100% sustainable material. For us, sustainability is a concept to be extended to the environmental, economic, as social aspects. For this reason, we believe that a rational and efficient use of the resources to reduce the carbon footprint and the impact on the environment. Sustainability for us means awareness. Bottero is its employees. They're the ones who make it possible to deliver the highest standards of quality and efficiency to clients around the world. For us, future means transparency. Transparency with the environment, with our co-operators, and with ourselves. We promote everyday solar gigafactories with high-end automation levels and energy recovery systems for production process optimization. Because we want to continue being transparent like glass. Today, tomorrow, always.